Quality content and originality are key. Strive to create unique, engaging material, steering clear of existing concepts. Get creative and offer a fresh take or a different approach. Keep it short, make an immediate impact. Viral videos are typically brief, captivating attention within the first few seconds. Ensure your message is clear and impactful from the get-go. Evoke emotion and encourage sharing. Videos that stir feelings, whether it's laughter, surprise, or sadness, are more likely to be shared. Establish an emotional connection with your viewers. Use relevant hashtags. Incorporate popular and pertinent hashtags to boost your video's visibility. Stay on top of current trends and adjust your hashtags accordingly. Share across multiple platforms. Post your video on various social platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. The wider your video is disseminated, the more likely it is to be seen and shared. Collaborate with other creators. Working with other influencers or creators can help broaden your audience. Co-create content or participate in challenges together. Call to action. Urge viewers to share your video, subscribe to your channel, or visit your website. A clear call to action can make all the difference. Analyze performance. Use platform analytics tools to understand what works and what doesn't. Adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, virality is often unpredictable, but following these tips will increase your chances of success.